Happy Beach Day, USA, and today we're here at the beach. Yep, that's where we are. And right here we got some fishing supplies, and that right there is my dad. Hey, Dad.
Hey, Henry.
Yeah, he's got crabs for fishing bait. See, right there. Yep. Say hi, Krabby. Hello! So sometimes I like to be buried in the sand, and I like to go in the ocean. Yep, that's where I like to go. And I know you don't notice, but I've been eating a whole bunch of potato chips on the way here. Oh, how I love my potatoes. Yeah, like mashed potatoes and scallop potatoes and au gratin potatoes, all cheesy, and potato chips and French fries and except I don't do it with sweet potatoes. I'm gonna stay away from the sweet potatoes. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is Henry Lynch saying, eat lots of spaghetti, eat lots of ravioli, and I hope you have a good beach day.